Why custom motorcycles? I believe in individualism a lot, as in we are not born just to be the next guy. There would be so many motorcycles on the road, but and then you have something that you created. It need not be the best in the world, but it is something that is just one. There is something about motorcycles that is so organic when you have a connect to it, the way it feels when you ride, and the way you see the world when you ride it. And in this world of mediocrity where everyone is just trying to be the same as other, there's a different charm in being something else. My name is Mohit Chawla, and I design and build motorcycles from the scratch. I try to give them the blend of poetry that I hold from myself and express it the way I could. And why I do this? This is the only thing that gives me contentment and peace. The process of creating something from your heart, letting your sweat flow, and creating your imagination that you have seen in your dreams come to flesh is something to work for. अमानो कबूतर का भूखा नहीं मैं, है ज़िंदगी बाज की आबदाना, लपटना पलटना पलट के झपटना, लपटना पलटना पलट के झपटना, लहू गर्म करने का है ये बहाना. So it is just to keep my blood warm that I do all this. If it is for the sake of feeding my stomach, there are millions of ways out. I pursued my bachelor's in business administration, which is nowhere related to what I do now. But yeah, it was good that I spent some time building a motorcycle for myself, which made all the difference, and that gave me the taste of what actual love for creating something can be. So day to day is no proper schedule as such, because every day is a new thing that you do, and that's what keeps me up for the next day, because next day is gonna be again a new one. Luckily for me, my father himself, being an artist, understands the reasons of why I would be choosing a path as such, and it takes courage and acceptance both at the same time. And understanding from parents is as important as your willingness to do it. जान देते हैं, जीने का हक भी देते हैं, is what he said when I asked for this. तू शाहीन है, परवाज़ है काम तेरा, तेरे आगे आसमां और भी है, नहीं तेरा नशे मन कसर सुल्तानी के गुंबस पर, तू शाहीन है, बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर. It summarizes everything that we are not pigeons and ravens born to reside and perish the way they are. We are eagle born to fly high above the clouds, reside in the wilderness of the mountains. Shaheen was the one I made for myself, and it's an amalgamation of art and poetry brought into motion with two wheels. This bike that I'm working out is for a friend of mine. He is a website designer. He has a good connect with the motorcycle, and I wanted to keep it that way. And I tried to approach it as a painting or a sculpture. I tried to visualize the wheels and the motor and try to dictate the lines along with the frames. To summarize it, it's deliberately arranging parts in a manner where you see as a symphony together, and there is nothing that you feel to be taken out, added or altered. So working on motorcycles is both theory and practicals at the same time. And with the emergence of technology and internet, you have the luxury of having the theory at least at your hand right up front. And if it fascinates you, work out with any of the nearby mechanics or learn about how things work and how a little of change can give out something different. If we are observant enough, life gives us enough of chances to come across things that you can connect. So I try to use parts that are beautiful in any manner, be it from a cycle or be it from a chandelier, a gas burner, a cylinder from hand pump, the old barrels of guns. I love my dirty hands, dirty clothes, messy hair, and that sparkling eyes which you get to see when you've worked something really good after a long day and you hit the bed. You don't take a second to get a good sleep. I enjoy that. You don't see the dots connecting when you are on that dot, but when you look back, you actually make a proper path from where you traveled and where you have reached. And today, when I look back, right from the bicycle to the mini bike that I had, and to working out with mechanics, hanging out, learning things, creating art and crafts during the time, and then landing up with motorcycles, it all makes sense today. Yeah, it takes a lot from you than what you would be thinking and stepping into it. So you should be ready for all of them and much more that it demands. It demands your time, money, efforts. It's like hours of frustration and moments of pure joy. And if you are willing to take both, then only you should step in. So it had been a few years that I've been working with motorcycle, but keeping it pure to it, I could not make it out to my kitchen, but for the soul, it was more than enough. And there are days and nights that come up together and stretch, and I don't feel like leaving it until I am done. And I enjoy that thoroughly. But at the same time, there are few days when I don't feel like doing anything, and I just leave it that way. Abstract truth may still belong to science and metaphysics, but the world of reality still belongs to art.